Hi, welcome to Keys 5 Adventure, and I am Charlotte. I am giving you guys a slight little update on our RV. We have posted some things on social media occasionally, but we've really tried to kind of let this work itself out. But we do have the elusive and rare frame flex that, everybody's heard about. Everybody's heard about the rumors and misinformation. Well, we do have it. One of your beloved Grand Design family members has been going through this, and I'm not just one. I know many people that have gone through this, and it's not fun. So we are headed to the beach without our RV this year. We had to rent an Airbnb, and we are going to take our vacation. We always go to the beach for July 4th, and this issue isn't going to stop us. So, why are we renting an Airbnb? Yeah, we're going to the beach. We are renting one because our RV is at the service center in Indiana, and this is the 5th time Grand Design will work on our frame flex / related issues. I will go into the detail. Our lag bolts have been replaced. Some have actually backed out. Our front cap has stress cracks. Our walls are damaged, not just where you can see them, but apparently inside. We've had things welded into the front of our RV, and now they are adding more. Unfortunately, we are now seeing issues in the back. We have outriggers bent, and our door from our living area to our garage on a momentum doesn't close on the bottom half without literally pushing the door with your foot. Screws are backing out. Our leaf spring hangers did break around the same time as our front broke, and it's been a year since this started. So we are frustrated. We have lost sleep over this. We have been very patient. We have tried to work through things with Grand Design. I think back, and we have been huge fans, rally goers, love the people that own Grand Designs. And I don't want anyone to jump on us and say that we're talking bad about Grand Design. We are giving them every opportunity, but we are freaking angry, frustrated. I mean, to lose sleep because you're about to leave on a trip and you don't know if the thing's gonna break, or how about if the repair's gonna hold. We tow with my son in the back seat. What if this thing collapses on the back of our truck and makes us spin out of control? These are all thoughts that are in my head as I try to sleep. It has been, hard. And you know what's the hardest part? We love the Grand Design family, and we don't want to feel like we're going to be shunned because of this. But we also don't want to stay quiet about it anymore because it has impacted our family. And this RV was bought as a vacation home. My husband and now my son-in-law work very hard. And camping has been our way of escaping and letting their minds rest. So that's why we go to the beach. They like to fish, hang out. We like to have a few beverages. We'll probably bring the tiki bar because the house we're renting doesn't have one. We just need to decompress. And so that's what our RV has done for our family. We've seen 40 states in it. In that one and our last one. 41 now. But we're gonna go, and our guys are gonna relax And hopefully our RV will be done in a couple more weeks. And then we have to drive the 1,100 miles there, pick it up, and drive 1,100 miles back. So all in all, that's at least 4 days of travel. All the gas going there and back, RV parks that we'll have to rent, and a hotel room to pick this thing up. And then the exhaustion of cramming that many miles into a short, probably three-day drive in total. So it's gonna be exhausting. So yeah, this has been quite an ordeal, and we just hope and pray that this is the last time that we can enjoy our RV again, schedule more rallies, do the things that the keepers do, bring the fun. We want to make RVing fun again for us. So that's our update, and please keep watching. We'll let you know how the repair goes. And yeah, signing off. Happy 4th of July. Have a safe one.